Aicc TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155. Ringkat baganet foodish, ordar mapi, ninwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Setang arbanai bagi election jika yang dorbat hawang ke Jela Meghalaya kala tiat jingkang ka All India Congress Committee haka arpulai trik nok pra arajar arpuar kala Mynjur ka thup Kyrteng jang kidekot ka election committee bat ka campaign committee nak bentawan penkre ya kini ka election hapo kini ke Jela Meghalaya. Presiden Jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ba Vincent Aicc haka jinga keren bagi la pathai kubor lo yatho ba ya ka election committee on sakli hi damu kum chairman ha ka bagi dekhot kidon sipongun kat bah ka campaign committee la khle dau Dr. Celestine Lingdo kum chairman bat khatsan ngot ki dekhot shushu lai tho ba ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kala thau ru ya ka research and monitoring committee bala khle ru ba PNCM kum chairman bat sipongut ki dekhot.
Whenever we go for the election, the first thing is we scrutinize the candidates at the block level and at the district level, and then it will come to the state level. In the state level, the committees normally approved by the Aicc. So I'm happy to inform you that the Pradesh Election Committee, which is a very important committee for recommending the names, forwarding the names to Delhi, has been approved, where the president and the chairman of the committee and with other members, 11 members and ex-officio. So also the committee, campaign committee also has been formed and approved by the Aicc, where Dr. Celestine Lingdo is the chairman and the rest of the members also are there. We also have a research and monitoring committee, which we do to look into all the issues and problems. Panchangai is the chairman and Sanjay is the secretary. So we have formed different committees for the election. So I'll be giving you the names. And also we have formed a roadmap, a manifesto. We have completed a manifesto. But the manifesto normally will be releasing by the Aicc. So we have done the draft under the chairmanship of Dr. Celestine Lingdo. We have done the drafting of manifestos. So if you ask anything about manifestos, Dr. Lingdo will be giving us the roadmap. And anything if you ask about the ongoing issues in the state, I think some issues will be responded by Panchangai and any of us here.